Did you know there's a wetland right in the middle of Stillwater? Neither did I. It's called the Teal Ridge Wetland. Let's go check it out, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, you might want to come with me. Basically what Teal Ridge is, Teal Ridge Wetlands, it's just a huge marsh with a couple of larger ponds, nature area, I guess. And it's just right outside of Stillwater. I mean, quarter mile from one of the busiest intersections in town. A walking trail that goes all the way around it. For the most part, it's been pretty good. It's cement in some spots. And then the parts where it goes over the marshland is like a deck, kind of a wooden plank walkway. They've taken pretty good care. They've mowed obviously and stuff, but I think they pretty much want to leave it to nature and let nature take its course in many places possible. I mean, they have it mowed down just a little bit around the paths and everything. But for the most part, I think they just let it grow up. I mean, it's right next to a neighborhood, fairly large neighborhood. And there's some houses just right there. The dogs barking are kind of a nuisance. But them old dogs, they like to look and see what's going on over here. Nice little chocolate lab over there. I don't know if you can see him or not. Pretty dog. They sure like to make lots of noise though. There's 2 gazebos on the property. This is one of them. Pretty nice little place to hang. You want to stop and check out the wildlife or whatnot. This one has a bench in it. And it's kind of situated right here on this pond, so you can overlook this pond and check out all the wildlife out there on the pond. The other gazebo is right over there, I think. And it sits over the water. It's actually situated on the water, out on the water, over it, whatever. And it's pretty cool too. I'd show it to you, but I went down there and I saw a snake a while ago, so I won't be going back over there. They have a duck blind way over there on the end. And I think part of this habitat is for people to come out here and observe waterfowl. I think that's part of the attraction here. It's a wetlands, so they expect people to come out, or they expect waterfowl to be in the area, and they want people to be able to come out and observe waterfowl from the blinds and different viewing points. So there's a look at Teal Ridge Wetland. One of the most secluded parks in all of Stillwater, I think. Pretty neat. I think it was government funded, so you can definitely, everything is wheelchair accessible. You can definitely get out here and if somebody's in a wheelchair and ride around the whole park, check it all out. Check out some of the wildlife that are here. Just catch in take in some of the nature. Like I say, it only took like 15 or 20 minutes to get around the whole thing. I only saw one snake, so I didn't make too much of a fool of myself. I got some good video of it, hopefully. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.